Welcome to apartment S3 in historic Sheridan Court. We are on the penthouse level, so we're up about 4 flights. And then S3 is a penthouse level studio. These are brand new hardwood floors, absolutely a lot of fun. As a studio, you know, it's just always darkens when you look into the curtains there. But as a studio, it's just the one living space. So this is your bedroom and your living room. We're right above the main courtyard. Beautiful down through there. It's basically it's June 1st, 2019. You do have a bathroom. Look at the old school ceramic tile. We just put in that subway running tile there and the curved shower rod. Once you get one of those, you're never going to go back. The sink, I mean, this is an old historic, really neat bathroom. It is steam heat here in Sheridan Court, so we pay for your heat, we pay for your hot water, we pay for your stove use. Off your room, you have some closets. There's this large walk-in closet, lots and lots of shelves, good bar. I mean, a nice big walk-in. I mean, here's a man's foot. It's a big closet. You also can come out towards the bathroom, and you've got a little coat closet there. Those are the storms for the dining room. And then we're going to go back out down the hall. This is the buzzer to open up the locked door downstairs for the security door. And then this is a talking tube that runs down very steampunk. Radiator heat, kitchen. You got great windows here that open up. And if you open that and you open those over there, you get great cross ventilation. And it's just outside, but that right there is the parking lot for Sheridan. So it's really easy to get over here. Little dinette, you've got a built-in china cabinet there, gas stove, remember we pay for it. The old school sink, doesn't look like this faucet's been here forever. They're actually new. Originally, there used to be 3 waters here, and it was hot and cold and then just like river water, and you washed your dishes in river water. This is closed up, but it was the garbage chute that went down to the old incinerator. I mean, this was a neat space. You've got the original countertop there from 1925, lots and lots of storage. Up there is where you put all that stuff you got when you graduated from school, like the Margaritaville and the popcorn maker and the fondue pot that you got from your uncle or your aunt that you'll never use. But this is S3. It's a studio here in Sheridan Court. It's got a kitchenette, got a dinette. Put a little table in there. New hardwood floors. Nice sized living room, bedroom. Big walk-in closet, coat closet. Neat bathroom with the ceramic tiles. And of course, when you're in Sheridan, you've got all the old cool features, you know, like the 1925 light fixtures that have been rewired and restored. Apartment S3 in Sheridan Court.